Today concept is Selenium. Today concept is Selenium. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Today, first concept Selenium WebDriver. WebDriver. What do you mean by Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. So, first of all, Selenium WebDriver configuration. How to install Selenium WebDriver into Eclipse. So, we need to configure this Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Just go to Eclipse and take the new project, Java project. Click on next. Take the project name is Hyderabad. Click on finish. Go to SRC. Take the new class. And taking class is WD1. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. If you want to work with Selenium WebDriver, so just once we need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Go to Hyderabad, Properties, Java Build Path, Libraries, add external jars. Already I have Selenium WebDriver programs. Control all. This is the Selenium WebDriver programs we need to configure. Now this is not Eclipse. This is Selenium WebDriver. This is Selenium WebDriver. Now increase the size. How to increase the size? Windows, Preferences, Java, General, Appearance, Color and Fonts. Come to Java, Text, Edit, 18. Okay, apply. Okay, right. If you want to work with any web application, just simply we can write WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. If you want to work with any site, WD dot get. I want to work with the Gmail page. HTTP gmail.com. Right. Now I want to give username and password. I want to click on login button. So WD dot WD means WebDriver reference. Find element by dot XPath. Give the web element username XPath dot. That is the edit box. We will use send keys. Akhil Reddy HOID. Akhil Reddy HOID 1. I want to click on next button. WD dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving next button XPath dot, that is the button. So we will use click. Next I want to give the password. WD dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving password XPath. This is also edit box. Send keys. Send keys. Password is Venkanna 143. Next WD dot find element by dot xpath. I'm giving sign in button xpath dot click. Okay, this is the Gmail application script. Already yesterday we discussed this concept. Today concept is property file. Today concept is property file. Very very important concept in entire Selenium. That is the concept name is property file. Property file. Property file is nothing but not only using XPath, not only using XPath, we can take other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. We will keep in one file. Okay, we will keep in one file using that properties or simply QTP na we will keep in one file and we will treat as a we will treat as a object repository. We will treat as a object repository. Object repository and using that properties Selenium WebDriver will identifying the identify the web elements. Whenever you are working with QTP, whenever you are working with QTP, if it is in record mode, if it is record mode, QTP will store the QTP will store the all the properties in object repository. Object repository. Whenever you are clicking on login button, whenever click on run button, using that properties, QTP will identifying the object uniquely. QTP will identifying the object uniquely. Identifying the objects or elements objects uniquely. Yes, I want to say, yeah, property file is nothing but it is a just like we can treat as a object repository. Whenever you are working with QTP, automatically, if it is record mode, whenever you are working with any application, automatically it will store all the object properties in object repository. Whenever you are clicking on run button, using that properties, QTP will identifying the object uniquely. But in the Selenium, we don't have any object repository. So manually, we will create object repository. That object repository is called property file. So what is property file? Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. So other properties like name and ID and value, we can take the all the properties. Using that properties also, we can identifying the objects uniquely. So what we need to do, first of all we need to create one property file, and we will keep the all the properties in that file. Okay, using that properties, Selenium will identifying the object uniquely. So here is no object repository. Manually we will create one object repository, that is called property file. We will keep the all the properties in one file. We will call property file. We will keep the all the properties in one file. We will treat as a object repository. We can call property file. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Sir, XPath is very, very comfortable. We are very, very comfortable. Why this property file? Yes, good question. Yeah, whenever you are working with XPath, XPath will be changed regularly, but properties will not change regularly. If it is India, all the companies, 99% of companies, they are using XPath. Outside India, if it is US, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, that company people, they are using only properties file. Why they are using property file? Reusability, and easily we can change the properties, and moreover the properties will not change regularly. Whenever you are comparing with the XPaths will change regularly, but properties will not change. It will also, properties also change, but not regularly. So that's the reason some of the companies, not India companies, outside companies, all the companies, nearly 80% of the companies, they are using property file. So whenever you are comparing with XPath, it will be somewhat difficult, but still we have some advantages. That's the reason some of the companies, all not India, I'm talking about outside companies, they are using only property file. Okay, this concept also very, very important. It is the heart of the course, that is property file. So whenever you are working with QTP, without object repository there is no QTP. Okay, without object repository there is no QTP. So just like property file, without property file there is no Selenium. So property file, how to create property file and how to keep the properties, I will explain you today. But it's very, very important. Whenever you are comparing with XPath, it will be difficult. Simply, frankly, I'm saying somewhat difficult, but still we need to learn this concept, that is property file. Okay, not only using XPath, we can take the other properties. All the properties we will keep in one file. We will treat as a object repository. Manually, we are creating object repository. If it is QTP, whenever you are keeping on record mode, automatically QTP will learn all the object properties, and it will store in object repository. Whenever you are clicking on run button, using the properties, QTP will identify the objects uniquely. But here is no object repository. Manually, we need to create the object repository. So in Selenium, property file is a object repository. We will create manually. First of all, first concept, how to create property file. So how to create property file, it's very, very easy, simple. Just simple, we will keep all the properties in one file. Just we are creating one property file, and we will keep all the properties in that particular file. How to create property file? Very, very important. Okay, right, concentrate. Sai and Vishnu madam, just a very, very important concept, madam. If it is QTP, object repository, it's very, very important. Here also, Selenium also, property file is very, very important. Now, go to default package. Just click on package, right click on package. If it is default package, if you are taking package, just click on package, right click on package. If you are not taking, then it will take in default package. So just right click on default package, go to new, go to other, general, file, property file name Akki. I'm creating one file, that is Akki. How to create property file? Once again I will show you. Right click on default package, just go to new, other, general, file, give the file name. I'm giving you Akki. Already I gave you Akki. I created one property file, that is Akki. So right click on Akki, take the properties, path, take the path, property file, path I am taking. I created one property file. The property file name is Akki. I am taking path of the property file. I am taking the property file path. Now, this is the yesterday concept already we discussed. Just here we need to write two more lines extra. Properties P equal to new properties. Properties P equal to new properties. File input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. Now give the path of the property file. Now give the path of the property file. So here you need to remember only one thing. You need to remember, if you want to export the data or import the data from any other external resources, compulsory we need to use double backslash. We need to use double backslash. This is very basic and very important. Whenever you want import the data or export the data, compulsory, if it is Java or Selenium, both we will use double backslash. Just keep the double backslash. Right. So next, write one more line. P means properties. Dot load. P dot load. FIS. File input stream reference. I'm loading this property file in file input stream. File input stream. I'm loading in properties file. Properties P equal new properties. File input stream FIS equal to new file input stream. And path of the property file, I'm writing P. P means properties. Dot load FIS. FIS means file input stream. Import the statements. Properties java.util. File input stream. File input stream. Come down. It's very important. Here we can get all the similar import statements. Your file input stream. File input stream. It will show you underline add throws. File not found exception. Still it is showing underline. Keep the cursor. Add throws declaration. IO exception. Right. Now already this concept already we discussed using XPath. Now I want to use any other properties. I want to take ID property or name property. So we can any property we can take. How to take that properties I will tell you now. Name. At a time we can take the ID name XPath also. So leave it. Now go to Gmail. How to get the properties? XPath already we know, but how to get the properties? How to get the properties? How to get the properties? I want to get the username property. So after selecting here we can get ID property. Okay, email. Only copy the property only, not double colons. Now go to property file and give the name, username un equal to, and next one, next button, next, next, equal to, pwd password equal to, next, next id only, next property, next id properties, next only, copy, control v, and password name property, password name property, password name property name, same. Okay, enough. Save. And last one, I gave you XPath. So we need to find out the sign in XPath. At a time, we can take the all the properties and XPath also. That's the reason I'm taking different name, ID, and XPath. Both I want to implement at a time. We can do. Right. So I want to implement ID. I want to identifying the web element using ID. So simply here you can write p dot get property un. There I gave in the property file I gave un. So right. Next button, p dot get property. Next, p dot get property pwd. So using these properties also we can identify the web element. Okay, just here we can write thread dot sleep. Wait statement thread dot sleep 3000 L. Add throws declaration. Okay. Now if you click on run, it will run. Save, click on run. At a time we are taking ID, name, and XPath. First of all, we need to create one property file. Right. This is the concept of property file concept. Whenever you are comparing with XPath, it will be difficult, but simple. Yesterday concept only, just change, small changes. Just we wrote extra two lines. Properties p equal new properties. File input stream FIS equal new file input stream path of the property file and p dot load FIS. And in the place of XPath we are writing other properties. And in the place of XPath we are writing p dot get property. We gave un username just for identifying, just easiness purpose. I am giving un next password. How is it, madam? Vishnu, madam?
Sir, ఇది ఓన్లీ 3 ప్రాపర్టీస్ సార్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఫైల్ ఇప్పుడు ఐడి నేమ్ ఇవే ఉంటాయా?
Just we observe some applications will have some properties, madam. ID, mainly we will use ID and name only, madam. We can take the values
Okay.
also sometime. All the objects not having all the properties, madam. ID and name are compulsory. Each and every element having ID and name.
ఓకే ఓకే ఇప్పుడు లింక్స్ కి మామూలుగా నేమ్ ఉంటది కదా సార్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి జస్ట్ లింక్ ఏదైనా లింక్ కి.
So we can take the ID that time. If it is ID is not identifying, that time we can take the XPath. We have options.
Okay.
We have options. ID or name or XPath. Whatever you want, you can take it. So this is the property file. Very, 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 very important concept. Whenever you are working with QTP, if it is no object repository, there is nothing will be there. So just like without property file, we can work with, we have experts. Using experts, we can work with any application very comfortably, but still property file is also very, very important. Yesterday concept only. Extra I wrote 2 lines and I created one property file. That is the today class. Is it easy or hard?
Easy
Sai,
only, sir.
Sai,
Easy name.
easy.
Ah,
Whenever you are comparing with
oh,
QTP, it's very easy. Whenever you are comparing with QTP, it's very, 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 very easy. So, whenever, trigger events in QTP, trigger events, madam, Vishnu madam, do you know?
Uh-huh. Trigger, trigger events.
Trigger events. Recovery scenarios, madam, recovery scenarios,
Recovery
pop-up
scenario. Okay,
window,
okay.
object state, and test
Mm.
error, application crash. So,
Mm.
if it is recovery scenario, whenever you are doing recovery scenario concept, so number of it is very crucial, very dangerous concept.
Mm.
So whenever comparing with only recovery scenario, this is very, 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 very total entire Selenium will be very easy. So just practice it, madam. Just take the any application, we can take the today onwards, we can take the any application and we can work with that very comfortably using XPath or properties. We can take both at a time also, as your wish. I will teach you nearly 40 advanced concepts, madam. 43 concepts I will teach you advanced concepts. So tomorrow onwards we can enter into advanced concepts, madam. Okay, this is the basic class, very, very important class.
Okay, okay.
65% Selenium is over. Okay, just we will discuss advanced concepts, frameworks, Selenium life cycle, Selenium IDE. But this is the basic and very, very important class. After this class, you can work with any application very comfortably. Okay, right. Today I will send you entire manual testing, Selenium notes, everything I will send you, and WebDriver programs also I will send you. Just to tell me, just to type your username and password, team your username and password, type there, then I can send you each and everything, madam. Okay, just practice it. Tomorrow also we have class, same India time 9 o'clock. Tomorrow onwards we can enter into advanced concept. You need to practice. That is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Practice required. If it is property file, whenever I am showing that time, you will feel very easy. But whenever you are doing, then you can get number of problems. Number of problems. Okay. Just practice it. Okay, madam. Madam,
Yeah, okay, sir.
practice it, madam. Please, madam. Practice, ma. Please, ma. Sai, practice. Please. Without practice, there is no property file. Okay, you can't get property file.
Okay,
It's
sir.
very, very important. In the framework also, once again, we will implement property file concept. So whenever you are working with any software company in the real time, always we will use properties. Please, 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 please practice. Okay. I will send you each and WebDriver programs, notes, everything I will send you. And the last recorded file already I have sent you. And today I will send you this today recorded file and yesterday recorded file also. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. Tomorrow also we have class in the time 9 a.m. Thank you.
okay.
Bye.